Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about the multiplication of matrices or matrix with one variable, one constant. So you can see I considered a matrix A is equal to Aij, where the order of this matrix is m by n. You know Aij, so I will be 1, 2, 3 like this up to m. This is number of rows, and number of column will j, where j is equal to 1, 2, 3 to n. Now suppose I want to multiply some number, like one number like k is constant, where we will multiply with the matrix A, then we will get the product like this: k aij m by n. Now I am giving an example to explaining clearly. Suppose I give a matrix 1, 2, 0, 9. So k into a means k into aij. So k, this 5 will multiply with each of the elements of the matrix. That will be 5 into 1, again 5 into 2, 0, 5 into 0, 5 into 9. You can multiply later also, like 1 into 5, 2 into 5, that also can be done. You know multiplicative in commutative property of multiplication is there exists. So you can multiply with 1 with 5 or 5 with 1, both will be same. So that's why I am telling Kij. So K11, K12, K13, K14, K11, K12, K21, K22. Sorry, that previous one. 5, 10, 0, 40. This will be the product. Now see, we will multiply with two matrices. First I taught you that if we will multiply with a one constant with a one matrix, then that time how to do. Now this you learn addition also, no? So if you will add two matrices, you have to add the corresponding elements, like 3. Here it is not possible because both the matrices supposed to be ordered same, then only we can tell two matrices can be added or subtracted. Now here, is it possible this matrix and this matrix, if you product, is this the possible, is the product AB possible? So for that we have to know what is the formula of multiplying two matrices. You can see I considered two matrices, one is A, another is B, where A is Aij, and the order of the matrix A is m by n, and then order of the matrix B is n by p. So intentionally I just changed the prefix of these two. So you can see A is having order m cross n, means A is having number of rows m and number of column n, and B is having number of rows n and number of column p. Now it is said if and only if the A into B, or the product of AB is possible if the column of the first row, first matrix, column of the first matrix is equal to the row of the second matrix. This is first matrix, this is second matrix. So product is possible if and only if column of the first matrix is equal to row of the second matrix. So you can see here, column of the first matrix is n and row of the second matrix is also n. So this product is possible. Now we will using this formula we will do this sum. So now see here, what is the order of matrix A? Yes, 2 by 2. That means row equal to 2, column equal to also 2, and order of matrix B is how many rows? 2 rows and 1 column. So 2 into 1, that means row is 1, column is 2, sorry, row is 2, column is 1. Now as I said that if the column of the first matrix is equal to row of the second matrix are equal, you can see column of the first matrix is 2 and row of the second matrix is also 2. So therefore A and B product is possible. Now we will learn how to product between two matrices. How to do product between two matrices. Now you can see carefully, as we said, number of column of A matrix supposed to be same with the number of rows of second matrix. So first we will take, like we will multiply like this. Remember this order: row, column. So first row, first element is 3. So 3 into 2. See, you can use both hands. 3 into 2, 5 into 4. 3 into 2 plus 5 into 4. Where did I place? From where I start, that will be the place. So first, this will be the position of, suppose it is D11. So here also D11, first row, first column. So done, this multiplication is done. Now next 4, you can see I will change the row. First I was multiplying with first row. Now second we will multiply with second row. So 4 into 2 minus 2 into 4. 4 into 2 minus 2 into 4. So we will not get any other elements here. So what will be the product of it? 6 plus 20 will be 26 and 8 minus 8 will be 0. So what will be the product? What will be the order of the product of the matrix AB? That will be 2 by 1. So you can see this product will get with these two and this one. So this will, you can think and mind that these are cancelled. So if anyone will ask you without doing multiplication, if you will tell to find the product of two matrices, will be like this. I'm just giving another example. Suppose so if I'll ask you what will be the product of this matrix, what will be the order of this matrix AB? Matrix AB. So order of the matrix will be M cross P or M by P. Remember this. So now I will ask you whether this B into A is possible. So we have to go through the theory again. What will be? Order of B will be 2 by 1 and order of A is 2 by 2. What did I say? Product of AB, BA is possible when the number of column of first matrix supposed to be same with the number of row of the second matrix. So you can see number of column of B is 1 and number of row of matrix A is 2. So these are not matching. So this product AB is not possible. Thank you students for watching.